Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get this wavy hairstyle right here. So I'm gonna be using this Remington Pro waver right here. I do talk about the waver a little bit more when I start styling my hair, and I also give you guys tips that I like to do when doing this type of hairstyle, and I do show you guys all of the products that I like to use towards the end. But yeah, I don't have much to say, so if you guys want to see how I get this wavy hairstyle, then just keep on watching. All right guys, so I'm gonna get started on prepping the hair. I like to use this heat protector from Tresemme. I've been using this one since forever. So what I'm gonna do is basically spray this all over the hair. I'm gonna just part the hair in half, and then I'm gonna actually scoot back a little bit so you guys can see a little better. So I'm just gonna spray the whole hair. And of course, make sure you get your ends. And then what I'm gonna do is just brush my hair through, just to evenly spread the heat protector. And then what I'm gonna do is part my hair at my eyebrow, and then this bottom part, I'm just gonna part it in half. And then I'm gonna go in with this Remington Pro waver, and it looks like this. It's a pretty cool hair tool. So I'm gonna read to you guys what it says on the box about it. It says pure precision technology, adjustable waver, 4 looks, 1 tool. Ceramic coating for even consistent heat, and the highest it goes is to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. It says the Remington 4-in-1 adjustable waver gives the ultimate styling versatility. This deep waver features 4 depth settings for precise customized waves. The ceramic coated barrels allow for even consistent heat during styling. With 5 digital heat settings, it's easy to customize your look from tight and textured waves to deep and defined waves. So like it mentions, this barrel does adjust. I hope you guys can see this. So you basically pull out this middle piece, and the middle barrel, you can adjust to how much of it comes out. So that's its max. So I like mine's not too much out. So that's as flat as it's gonna get. And then I like to go in about right there. So basically, if you're at the flattest, I pull it and then just do like half a turn. So I put my heat setting at the highest, which is 410. It also has 300, 345, 365, and 380. So I'm just gonna start parting my hair just in random sections. I'm not specific on how much hair. I just grab random pieces. So what I do is just stick the waver, and I leave it like 1 inch away from my root, and just keep it there for about 15 seconds. And then you let go, and then you wanna continue on the last wave that the waver created. So that's the last wave right there. I hope you guys could see where the barrel is. I hope this makes sense to you guys. So again, and you guys could see that even with that low barrel not being like too high out, it still creates a very nice wave. So that's how the first part looks like. And I'm just gonna move on to the next. So if you guys see my hair kind of wavy already, is because if I shower at night, I let my hair dry for a little bit, and then I like to braid it. So that way, if I sometimes don't have time to do this, I kind of already have a wave in my hair. And basically with this, I can just maybe touch up like the ends or where I want a little bit of more wave. So we're just gonna move on to this last section here. So this is half of the hair, and you can see the difference. Also, one tip that's gonna help keep that wave in its shape is that when you're crimping down, try not to stretch out like this. The waver, try and just have it like closer to your head. That way what you already did is not like stretched out and cooling down in like a less wave. I don't know how to explain it. Another cool thing that I like about this waver is that it has this little clamp right here, and obviously the little part that you can adjust the barrel with. You can grab them both. That way if this hand gets tired from holding it down, you can literally let go and just hold with these two parts right here, and it helps a lot with your hand not getting tired. So when I'm done with this bottom part of the hair, I just am gonna tie it, and then I'm just gonna let my hair down, and then I basically grab like the crown and then clip that down, and then I'm going to part it in half and then do the same thing. Alright guys, for my crown part, I like to just keep parting it and do each section in half. And then at this point, I don't even hold this up because these parts are really quick. And then I keep doing the same thing. Just gonna part it. And then part this. And for this front part here, I like to cut it in half like this. Here I try and get as close as I can to the root so I can create that lift. Alright guys, so I'm finally done with all of my head, and I know it looks a little funky right now. So I basically part it and style it to how I would wear it. Alright, so what I like to do next is grab my straightener and go in and kind of straighten out my edges. Alright, so once I think this looks okay, I'm gonna go in with mousse, and I like to use this one from Herbal Essence, their Body Envy Voluminize, I know I'm saying that wrong, mousse. And it looks like this. So again, I'm gonna part my hair in half and then kind of just like dab it on first without running your fingers through the hair. And kind of just scrunching it up. Grab a little more. Same to the other side. And I like to grab it all and kind of twist it a little bit and then just scrunch it. All right, so once I've applied the mousse all over my hair, I like to go in with these two products. They're both from Garnier. This one is their Sleek and Shine Moroccan Sleek Oil Treatment, and it looks like this. And then this is the Brilliant Shine Glossing Spray, and it looks like that. So I'm first gonna go in with the Brilliant Shine Spray, and I'm just gonna spray my whole hair with it. Kind of go in between sections and the ends. And then I'm gonna do a tiny dot of the Sleek and Shine one, and then do that for both sides. So that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching how I get this wavy hair. I've been obsessed with this hairstyle lately. Any chance I get to do my hair, I've been going to this hairstyle a lot. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to see more videos from me. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.